Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu says, when my father got martyred, he left 7 or 9 daughters. So I married a widow. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon asked me, O Jabir radiyallahu anhu, have you contracted marriage? I replied in the positive. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a maiden or a widow? I submitted, a widow. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, why did not you marry a maiden? You may play with her and she with you. You may make her laugh and she may make you. He says that he submitted, when my father got martyred, he left many a daughter. So I did not like bringing home a woman nice like them. I therefore married a woman who might guard and civilize them. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bless you, or invoked, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu grant you goodness. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5367.